Today we'll represent you a telephone application called Priprave, which will help you to find a free parking place.
Yeah, Priprave, your second best friend, helps you to find a parking place in a very busy town where you can't find a parking place really fast. And I think this is a really big problem in big cities. Traffic jams and finding a parking place and driving around the city and waiting for hours. So with Priprave, we could help you to find a parking place. We prepared a short movie which presents the problem and the solution to the problem. So if I may, if it works, the click button. It's a bit yellow. Yeah, it's now the finding of the parking place. And now the app on the phone is directing her to the nearest and cheapest parking place. I really like the music.
Okay, so now we saw what our problem is, but how would this application work? Well, I'll show you all on Facebook. So when you update your status and post it to a wall, it automatically geotags your position. So if I write some text here in the classroom, the text it would write near Novo mesto. So this application would work the same. If you would be driving the car here in Novo mesto on Glavni trg, you would open the application and it will write it down. It will automatically open the parking place on Glavni trg in Novo mesto. But there is second option as well. If you want to find a parking place in other city. So I'm on the highway to Ljubljana and I want to see if there is any free parking place near Stožice Stadium. I open the application, type in Ljubljana, and it will be automatically write down all names of the parking place in Ljubljana. I would choose Stožice, and then I could find a free parking place in Stožice.
And now, how would we earn money from it? First, we could sell it to city authorities because there would be less traffic jams and easier to park in cities. And I think all the city authorities want to do that. And the other option is to sell it in app stores or online to users. And the third option is advertising. We could sell advertising space to advertisements like, I don't know, if you park near a bar, maybe the bar could advertise in the app, so they could direct you to their bar. So these are the income options.
Yeah. So why I think this application will be successful? Well, you can't find this application in Europe. Just similar applications exist just in the USA. So it would be first not just in Slovenia, in all Europe and maybe Asia. It would be user friendly, so it would be cheap. It would be fast to use, and I think most important, it would be simple to use.
And yeah, how would we sell it? Like I said, first we would sell it in app stores, and we could reach the customer with advertising. Like we could put advertisements in parking houses or in parking places, and we could also sell it on Facebook and advertise it on Facebook. So yeah, that's not the setting.
So as I already mentioned, it's a similar application exists only in the USA. This application will be simple, fast and cheaper. But if we think, how would people trust to someone who is unknown and new on the market? Well, of course, they would risk, but still, you would sell it on the App Store from Apple, from Samsung, which I think most of the people who use smartphones believe in them. And its price would be cheap, but it's not more than €2. And maybe problem for the drivers is that we have a lot of drivers who are driving into the big cities, but not all of them are really computer professional, because you have to know at least a little bit about the computer to use the application in smartphones. Well, we would make this application very simple. When you would download it, you would have a Word file where you have easy instructions for use in different language, because we don't want to sell just in Slovenia, we want to sell it in other countries as well.
Yeah, there are we and our two team members, and for the design and programming, we need a designer and a programmer who we are already finding. We are not really professional entrepreneurs, but I think we could, with your investment, we could make it. We could make it free, at least a beta version. So yeah, we just need a designer, programmer, and a few euros.
Well, the most important part, how could I get some money from the application? Well, I can sell the application to parking house owners, to city authorities, like here in Novo mesto is Komunala. So I can sell them, and they can do with this application what they want. They can sell it to users or to the other owners. Then second option is that we can sell the application to to individual user. So this is option if we sell it in the app stores. So they can buy it they buy it one time and they can use it how long they want. A second option is that they pay a monthly subscription, because there are so many new parking places every month even in Slovenia, so they build new market, and they must have new parking place. So there will be subscription because I would have to update this application. And third option is that I get the commission fee from the parking house owners or city authorities, because if they sell this application to users, I will get, I don't know, 30 or 40% of its price.
That's it. Park buddy. Why would you need a dog if you have park buddy?
Okay. Really quickly. My first question would be: you've mentioned, I think, 6 or 7 different pricing and revenue models. Aren't they mutually exclusive? Because if you sell that online, and you expect me to pay for it, and then the same app is sponsored from the city authorities, doesn't this clash?
Yeah, they are exclusive. We could research the market and then we could find out what would be the best.
So which one is the best, you think? Because here, I think if you presenting me an idea. What I want to know is, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to earn money. Then I'm going to earn money.
Well, if you start this application with Slovenia, maybe the best idea would be that I sell it to the worldwide. Of course, I would sell it to app stores because more and more people are using these telephone stores and smartphones.
Okay, so
not everyone would go to the website and type parking place application.
So basically, if you're selling this, you said you want to sell this first to the parking houses, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How big is the market then? How many parking houses are there in Slovenia? How many parking houses are willing to buy?
Well,